Today friends, we will learn how to mark princess line on the adult bodies block front area. So I'll mark my princess line according to my measurements. I have marked my pivotal point, burst point at 11.5 inches from the highest shoulder point till the 11.5, and I have taken the cleavage area, half of cleavage area, that is 4 inches. And now I will mark the center point of the shoulder point in between the highest shoulder point. It will come out to be 2.25. Now at this cleavage point I'll mark the circle at half inches radius or 1 inches diameter. Now I'll mark the line from this point cleavage area till my highest shoulder point like this, and now I'll mark my dart. My dart will come at 4 inches, this point, my waist dart. So I will mark it like this here. So for making the dart area, for making the dart legs, I will take my dart as 1 inches at the highest shoulder point, this shoulder point, and mark the lines from the radius line till the points. I'll make the dart legs like this. Now I'll make the dart legs at the waistline. I'll make the dart area as 1.5 inches in total, so it will go like 0.75 inches like this here and like this here. So I will make the dart legs here like this. So for making the princess line from the shoulder line, I'll cut out the dart area from the front bodice block. I will remove this area to make the princess line. Like this, I have removed my dart area from the princess line. Now I will shift this princess line on the brown paper to make the shirt, as I will make a line, make my shirt with the princess line. So now friends, you can see that I have traced my adult bodies princess line on the brown paper for making the shirt. So I have made the tracing of outlining of the center panel as well as the side panel. Like this. Now I am going to take the length according to my length which I required. I'll mark the length from this point, highest shoulder point, till the level I need my length. I have marked 47 inches like this. I have taken the straight measuring tape, kept it straight, and I have marked 47 inches. I have taken the length here and I have marked 47 inches. Now I'll mark the round hip level so that I can complete my drafting. So the length of my taking my hip level, I'll take from the highest shoulder point till the 25 inches. At 25 inches I have taken the length width, that is my it is 10.5 inches. So at this point I will take 10.5 inches. I have marked this. Now I am going to make the shape from the waist till the hip level like this. Next I will complete this dart which I have made. I'll take the 7 inches length. 3.5 was the upper length which I was made in the adult bodies block. 3.5 I have taken in the lower portion, and I have completed this dart. by drawing the dart legs like this. Now as my round hip is 42 inches, so round hip I have taken here 1/4 of round hip, that was 10.5 inches. So at the lower portion where I have taken my length 47 inches, I will take this as 10.5 inches and I will draw a straight line to make the slits. This is 10.5 inches. Now I will mark the slit line. I will mark it here as it, and now I will mark the bottom area like this, 10.5 inches. And now I will mark my princess line from the center line. It will go, I will mark it with the measuring tape with broken lines, and then I will mark it with the help of scale like this. This is 4 inches from here, and I will take same at the bottom. Like this I have marked it with broken lines, and now I will mark it with a scale. Like this. Now this is my princess line shirt draft ready. I'll cut it and retrace it onto the fabric to make the princess line shirt. Now friends, you can see my princess line draft is ready for the shirt, as I have deleted all the area with the dart within the dart, and the shape is perfect. Look, across the length I have made the crewing, and it is ready to be cut on the fabric, the center panel as well as side panel.